We have a lovely backyard that we wanted to be able to take full advantage of throughout all the seasons, and having the blinds has enabled us to do that. Prior to the Australian Outdoor Living blinds sitting out here, you are subject to the harsh elements and the bugs and the insects. I guess our blinds have enabled us to double our living space, and we use it for everyday living and outdoor entertaining. With the blinds pulled down, you wouldn't really know you're experiencing a 40-degree day outside when you're sitting in here in a nice climate-controlled area. We did look at other competitors out there, but hands down the Australian Outdoor Living product was the best that we found in the marketplace, and the service we received was excellent. The motion blinds, obviously, yeah, they're a lot more seamless, they're neater, they're tidier. That was a big thing. Obviously, we had a lovely outdoor deck and entertaining area out here, so we wanted to keep the aesthetics of the space, and the blinds have just complemented that. Yeah, we would, without hesitation, recommend Australian Outdoor Living, and in fact have done so to several other friends and family members who are also wanting to extend their living spaces.